Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable electric tea kettle. It is a 450 milliliter. It's got a fast boil auto shut off for your coffees, teas, milk. So today we've got our portable electric tea kettle. This one is a stainless steel. It's got 4 pressure reducing valves, 4 heating modules. It's got the charging cable. It is 1.14 pounds. So let's go into the box and see what we get inside this. First off, you can see the kettle. Here is the user guide. This guide just tells you of how to use it, how to clean it. This is great for warming up any kind of liquid material like milk, juice, colas, coffees, and soybean milks. And it's got an auto shut off. This electric kettle is for boiling water. It's got a precise temperature control. It goes from 176 to 212, 195, which is the hot temperature, 160, it holds at 160, 120 to 120. So after reaching the specific temperatures, automatically keeps it warm for 3 voice prompts. So right here, this is a cleaning brush. You just put this together. This helps clean the inside of it so you do not wash it out with the water. You can just wipe it with this, with nice soap and water. So it's got a touch to switch. It's got an intelligent temperature control. So here is the top. And it does have the pressure valves up here, so you don't have to worry about opening it up. You could warm anything up like milk, teas, coffee. So the temperature sets are 120, 160, 195, and all the way up to 212. So to meet different needs, the boiling water, 212 to 120. It has a 450 milliliter fast boil and shut off, which is recommended max capacity. It can boil in 6 minutes and automatically shuts off after 3 beeps. So this is what it looks like. It's got a nice little carry case so you can take it with you. And it does have a little nozzle here at the top, so if you want to pour it into your coffee or tea, you do not have to open it up. So this middle thing here is more like a thermal. So it is a tea kettle and a thermal all in one. And it does have, this spot right here has the max. And here is the power cord. This is the 316 food grade stainless steel inner material in order to provide you with a healthy drinking water, which is made out of the food grade stainless steel with coating. It is BPA free. The kettle can be used for boiling coffee, cola, fruit juices, milks. So right here is the power plug that you'd plug into the back of it. This has a leak-proof design with the integrated seamless interior and sealing ring at the lid, locking the water in place, making sure that it is completely waterproof. So this right here comes off, but to make it where it doesn't slip around. So now we're going to put in the plug. We're going to plug it into the wall after we fill it up to the max capacity. And then we'll go ahead and turn it on so you can see how it sets up. Okay, right here on the bottom, this is what heats up the water. And it'll start boiling. So right now we do have water at the max. We're going to put the lid on, tighten it up, just twist it just like a cup. It will tighten up, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it on and wait for it to boil.
Let me have this real quick.
So now you'll see these little numbers at the bottom. So we're going to boil it. So boiling is at 212, milk's 120, tea's 160, and coffee is at 195. So you'll see these little lines here. It's basically warming it up before it starts bubbling. So you can hear that it boiled, and the 3 beeps are letting you know that it is completely finished. So now I've taken off the top. It did spill a little bit only because it was still bubbling up, but you do not have to take off the top. It does have a lid at the top that you flip open so you can just pour it into your tea or your drink without actually having to open it up. So if you're looking for a nice portable electric tea kettle that's more like a cup and a thermal, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one does a really good job of warming up your water as well as boiling up nice water for coffee, tea, milk, or whatever you need to use.